Hi, Jerry from Unior. Let's talk about Hub Genie today. So, Hub Genie is a unique tool to remove end caps from your hub. When you service the hub or maybe convert to another axle dimension, you need to take off end caps from your hub, and there wasn't a nice or a proper way to do it until now. Hub Genie features an expanding collet which you can expand by twisting the spindle, and this will grab your end cap from the inside and gently pull it off without doing any damage to it. Let me show you how it works. So I insert the Hub Genie into the hub, twist it, and then you can see it grabbed the end cap already, and now I just simply pull it off. Some end caps might be a little bit more stubborn and might need a little bit more force. For that, Hub Genie also features a slot here, so you can hold it in place with an open end wrench while you're turning the spindle, so you can expand it a little bit further and get the end caps off safely. So Hub Genie comes in two different sizes. The smaller one is the one to cover hubs with 12 and 15 mm through axles, and the bigger one works with hubs that has a 20 mm through axle. For scratch-free end caps removal, use Hub Genies.